How to log into Rabobank Online Banking. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is navigate to the official website of the Rabobank, www.rabobank.com. Now, in the home page, you will get to see login link shown there. All you have to do is tap on the login option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on the rabobankAmerica.com button shown below. Now, click on the Personal tab shown here. Now, in the Login to Online Banking section, click on the Go button shown below. Please enter your user ID in the shown field, then click Continue. Also note that user ID is case sensitive. Click on the Continue with Security Code button to proceed with a one-time security code and choose how you want to receive the security code, then click Continue. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.